Welcome to Chat Sideshow, where I give you the strange stories from all around the world. Make sure you like, subscribe, and set that bell icon to all so you get more of these great stories. Comment below, tell me what you think. Hey everybody, welcome to Tat Sideshow, where we give you the weird, crazy, and mysterious stories from around the world. Today we're going to talk about Lake Baikal and the circles that have formed in Lake Baikal. Now, this is a very unique kind of lake. It's about 23,000 feet. It's created by a fissure in the actual crust of the earth. It has so much sediment in it that the actual water depth is only about 2,000 feet. And the lake itself is about 395 miles long. Now, the lake is so big, it contains almost 20% of the world's fresh water. And temps at the lake can get as low as minus 60 degrees below zero. Now, there's not very many inhabitants, and this lake is located in Russia, in the Siberian area, but there's not very many inhabitants around this lake, so it's pretty remote. The ice on the lake can get 12 to 15 feet thick, and it's still teeming with life. There is so much crazy life that is out there in this lake, things that are only found at this lake. They're not found anywhere in the world. Now, this water is considered to be some of the most pure water, thanks to a certain kind of plankton that lives in the lake, and some of the lake sponges. It's a prehistoric type animal, which kind of looks like coral that filters water. Now, recently, there have been some satellite photos that have emerged that show circles in the lake. Now, in order to break up that much ice, I mean, the ice cap on this lake is just crazy thick, right? So in order to break up, 12 to 15 feet thick ice, you have to have something pretty crazy. And there's been a lot of crazy stories about what's in the lake monsters. There's all kinds of life that they've actually found. It's just amazing how much stuff will live in this frozen lake, and in the temperatures that this water is. It's absolutely amazing. But there's been theories of these circles are forming in the ice, which the satellite photos have shown have actually moved from place to place. There's been a few different places that they've actually seen these circles form in the ice, where the ice is broken up in a perfect circle. It's hard to explain. People have thought maybe that there's some type of animal that is under the water that creates these currents. Some people have tried to explain it by methane gas, but we've got pictures of methane actually frozen into the ice. So I'm not so sure that it's methane causing this. Now, at the north end of the lake, there are hot springs. The mantle is fairly thin under this lake. But in the areas that they're finding the circles, there's not known to be any hot springs or volcanic activity. Not to say that there couldn't be, because again, the mantle is very thin here at where this lake is, because it is a fissure in the crust. When something's 23,000 feet deep, you're getting closer to the Earth's heat and lava underneath, and the core. So obviously there can be different things that actually can form, but nobody can really explain these circles because we haven't found anything that's like it. But yeah, so it's a complete mystery. Everybody's trying to figure it out. We keep seeing this year after year, but have a look at the pictures that I've included and tell me what you think in the comments below. All right, everybody. Hope you liked the episode. Let me know what you think.